Love is in the air. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it's the perfect time to infuse your home with warmth, romance, and creativity. And what better way to set the mood than by turning your mantle and fireplace into the ultimate centerpiece for love? Whether you're planning a cozy night for two, hosting a Valentine's get-together, or simply adding a touch of love to your decor, this video is packed with inspiring ideas. From elegant DIY projects to luxurious finishing touches, I'll walk you through it all step by step. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a decor trend or tip. Choosing a Valentine's mantle theme. Romantic elegance. Decorate with pastel tones like blush pink, white, and champagne gold. Add crystal candle holders, fresh roses, and gold-dipped accents. Focus on symmetry for a clean and luxurious look. Imagine your mantle radiating elegance with soft candlelight and roses. Simple, yet breathtaking. Rustic charm. Use natural wooden textures, burlap, and vintage lanterns. Heart-shaped wreaths made of twigs or grapevines add character. Incorporate warm, earthy colors like beige, maroon, and dusty pink. If you love cozy farmhouse vibes, this theme will make your mantle irresistibly charming. Modern minimalism. Stick to clean lines with monochromatic tones like white and black. Use geometric shapes, simple vases, and minimal decor. Incorporate subtle pops of red or gold for a Valentine's touch. Sleek and sophisticated, this style is for those who believe less is more. Which of these themes matches your style the most? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thought. DIY Valentine's mantle decor ideas. Handcrafted heart garlands. Cut out hearts from felt or glitter paper and string them together. Add variations like lace, beads, or tiny LED lights to make them unique. Mason jar candle holders. Fill mason jars with rose petals and fairy lights or small candles. Wrap them in ribbons or burlap for added charm. Photo frames with romantic quotes. Create personalized photo frames with your favorite memories or quotes like, "Love lives here." Use metallic pens or decals for a polished look. Budget-friendly tip. All these DIYs can be created for under $20 each, and they'll add a personal, heartfelt touch to your decor. Love these DIY ideas? Share your favorite in the comments, or tell us about a project you'd like to see featured. Romantic fireplace decor. Tips pillar candles of varying heights. Group candles in odd numbers for a visually balanced and harmonious look. Use mirrored trays beneath them to enhance the glow and create an elegant, reflective effect. Experiment with soft Valentine's colors like blush pink, red, or ivory for a cohesive theme. Faux fur or velvet throws. Drape a plush fur throw over the hearth or nearby seating to elevate the cozy, romantic vibe. For added texture, layer throws with decorative pillows in complementary shades like blush, cream, or pastel red. String or fairy lights. Frame the fireplace mantle with warm-toned string lights to create a dreamy, intimate glow. Opt for battery-operated lights to keep the area safe, especially if you have kids or pets. Add lights inside transparent vases or jars placed on the mantle for a modern touch. Fragrant enhancements. Pair candles with subtle floral or vanilla-scented options to add a sensory dimension to the decor. Place dried rose petals or potpourri near the candles for a decorative and aromatic effect. Pro tip: safety first. Always use real candles in hurricane glass holders or on non-flammable surfaces to prevent accidental mishaps. Alternatively, flameless LED candles are an elegant, worry-free option. Stick around because up next, I'll reveal not just one, but 2 secret tricks to make your garlands look fuller and accessorize like a pro. Garlands and accessories. Layering tricks faux floral garlands. Combine garlands with faux roses or peonies for a fuller and more romantic look. Use greenery like eucalyptus or ivy to add depth and texture to your arrangement. Layered garland techniques. Drape 2 garlands together, e.g. a floral garland over a bead or light strand. For a dynamic, luxurious feel, create loops and pin them in place to mimic a cascading effect. Unique accessories for a polished look, miniature love letters or scrolls. Place tiny folded love notes along the garland for a whimsical and personalized touch. Use metallic pens to write sweet quotes or messages on the notes. Valentine-themed figurines. Incorporate Cupid figurines, heart-shaped ornaments, or mini lanterns to enhance the festive vibe. Position these items asymmetrically for a modern, playful look. Pro tip: avoid damaging your mantle. Use adhesive hooks or ribbon ties to secure garlands instead of nails, or tape for easy cleanup after Valentine's Day. Which garland idea will you try first? Floral elegance, beaded glam, or something totally unique? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know. Final touches and atmosphere creation 1. Floral arrangements. Use clear vases with pastel blooms like tulips, lilies, or red roses for maximum impact. Add greenery like eucalyptus or baby's breath for a balanced and lush look. For a modern touch, place individual stems in narrow bud vases along the mantle. Fresh flowers can instantly elevate your mantel decor. Do you prefer classic roses or something more unique like tulips? Share your favorite flowers in the comments below. 2. Themed throw pillows. Choose pillows with heart patterns, love quotes, or in shades of pink, red, or white. Mix and match textures like velvet, faux fur, and embroidered designs for a cozy, layered look. Arrange them on nearby seating or even on the floor near the fireplace for a relaxed vibe. Throw pillows are such a fun way to express your style. What kind of patterns or textures do you love adding to your space? 3. Scented candles. Incorporate rose, vanilla, or lavender-scented candles to create a warm, inviting ambiance. For safety, opt for flameless LED candles if you have kids or pets. Scatter petals around the candle bases for an extra romantic vibe. Imagine walking into a room that smells like love. What's your go-to scent for creating a cozy atmosphere? Let me know below. Tell me in the comments, which of these finishing touches would make your space feel extra special this Valentine's Day? I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Conclusion. There you have it. Simple yet stunning ways to turn your mantle and fireplace into a romantic retreat this Valentine's Day. From budget-friendly DIY projects to elegant final touches, it's all about creating a space that radiates love and warmth. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your favorite idea in the comments below. Your support means so much, and it helps us create even more inspiring content for you. Before you go, don't miss out on more Valentine's Day decor inspiration. Click the videos on your screen to keep the inspiration flowing. And don't forget to subscribe.